What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today we'll be covering Kaspa. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so as most of you guys know, the crypto market had started to recover a little bit in the last 2 days. Bitcoin had gotten back to around 58,000. But overnight, we've dropped back down to 56,600. And I'll go over technical analysis at the end of the video, but you can see we've broken beneath every single one of the moving averages. If I'm being honest, that's not a great look. If you look at Kaspa, it's currently ranked 23rd, and it's down 18.4% in the last 7 days. And it's currently trading at a price point of just over 16 cents. But what's interesting for Kaspa is if you look at the 1 month time frame, it's only down 6%. There are a lot of cryptos right now that are down 20, 30, 40%. So this just goes to show how strong Kaspa is actually holding. But regardless, it is still down 6%. So if you guys are looking to accumulate the Kaspa dip, they are listed on a bunch of different exchanges. My personal favorites are MEXC or KuCoin. But we'll go ahead and hop straight into the Kasplex account. And they haven't actually posted anything since July 5th. But they posted the Rock the Kaspa Bros have done it again. Check out episode 5. So if you guys are interested in the super in-depth Kaspa information, then go ahead and check this out. And then they also posted this on July 5th. The Rust rewrite opened the door for new talent to join the Kaspa developer community. Kaspa core devs are now in over 16 countries worldwide and growing. We are working very hard on decentralizing the development, and it is working. And it's crazy to think that at this point they are already in 16 countries. It's crazy to see how much Kaspa has grown in just the last year. And then in case you guys didn't see this on June 30th, with massive user engagement around the KRC20 beta launch today, the KRC20 network is experiencing some issues. As expected in beta phases, the Kasplex team is working on solutions. And this is actually what I was warning you guys about in my last Kaspa video. KRC20 could be absolutely enormous for Kaspa. Take Ethereum, for example. ERC20 is one of the biggest reasons they are successful. But that being said, rarely does the launch of something go smoothly. So oftentimes it is more of a buy the rumor, sell the news. So from a long-term standpoint, KRC20 could be awesome. But just understand there are going to be issues. But now we'll take a look at some macro news that could possibly impact the crypto market. And Watcher Guru also hasn't posted in a couple days. Their last post, Donald Trump could spark a Bitcoin rally in the second half of the year if elected president. And I think a lot of people are betting on this. And then on July 4th, Tron founder Justin Sun offers to buy all Bitcoin held by the German government to minimize impact on the market. And in case you guys aren't aware, one of the biggest reasons a lot of people think Bitcoin is dumping is because the German government is selling. But the other reason a lot of people think they're dumping is because of the Mt. Gox news. So whether that's the case for either one of them, who knows? But regardless, Bitcoin is still dumping. And then this is interesting right here on July 2nd. $820 billion asset manager Standard Chartered Bank says Bitcoin could reach 100,000 by August. And a lot of people would say this is absolutely outrageous. And perhaps it is. 100,000 is pretty high. But at the same time, it's not that high. Once crypto gets on a roll, it can absolutely skyrocket. You have to understand there are a lot of catalysts right now that could make Bitcoin fly. A lot of people think the money printer is about to get turned on. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, you guys will get closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And we have been making some enormous gains. For example, I called Hoppy at a $580,000 market cap. I posted my first buy alert on April 21st, and it just yesterday ran up to over an $80 million market cap. That is well over a 100x. Just to put that in perspective, if you invested $1,000, your $1,000 would be worth over $100,000. Those are life-changing gains. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to have you guys in here. But now lastly, I'll go over some technical analysis. So this is Kaspa on the hourly time frame. And I'm going to be honest, Kaspa and Bitcoin look very similar. So I'm primarily going to go over Bitcoin because if Bitcoin can recover, Kaspa can as well. But if you do look at Kaspa right now, you can see that the RSI and stochastics are both getting very oversold on the hourly time frame. And at the moment, this most recent candle is a little bit of a bullish hammer, which is a good sight. But the one thing that I don't like on Kaspa is that we have broken beneath every single one of the moving averages. In general, that is not what we want to see. And just to be clear, I will not be bullish on Kaspa in the short term until we get back above the 200-day moving average, which is this golden line. And at the current moment, it's sitting around 17.5 cents. So we'll see if that can eventually happen. But as I said, I mainly want to focus on Bitcoin. And again, the chart looks very similar. The RSI and stochastics are both very oversold. Now, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low. That is Class A bullish divergence. So based on that, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually get a bounce. Now, there is also a chance that we get a bounce off of about 56,000. We previously bounced there. But I'm going to be honest with you, the thing that has me worried about Bitcoin is the 4-hour time frame. We have just broken beneath the 21-day moving average, although I will say this candle has not closed yet. But if we do close beneath the 21-day and the stochastics are still extremely overbought, that is not a good look. Typically, when you see that, it kind of signals that Bitcoin's about to get destroyed. So hopefully in the next hour and a half, this candle gets bought up when we don't actually close beneath this level. But at the end of the day, just remember, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kaspa will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.